Hey guys, today I wanted to go over the squeeze theorem. This is used in calculus to find the limit as x approaches infinity or, depending on what it is, of certain quotients or certain polynomial functions. And I wanted to go over a specific problem, limit as x approaches infinity of sine of x all over x. And so the way the squeeze theorem works is you have to first set a boundary. So we know that the function sine of x is going to be less than 1, and it's going to be greater than negative 1. It's going to be less than or equal to or greater than or equal to negative 1. So that's the boundary in which sine of x lies. Alright, next thing we want to do is we want to divide it by x. If we divide everything by x, that doesn't change the values of each of the original functions, right? We're just dividing everything by x. So if we divide everything on both sides, if we divide everything on one side, we have to do it the other side. And since we have three sides, if we divide everything by x, it works out. Okay. Now, remarkably, the middle portion is also going to be equal to our original function that we're solving for. So if we take the limit as x approaches infinity of all three, we get that, we get step 3, right? We get limit as x approaches infinity of negative 1 over x is less than or equal to the limit as x approaches infinity of sine of x over x, which is going to be less than or equal to the limit as x approaches infinity of 1 over x. Alright, but the thing is, if we take the limit as x approaches infinity of negative 1 over x, or the limit as x approaches infinity of 1 over x, we get 0. So our boundary states that 0 is going to be greater than or equal to limit as x approaches infinity of sine of x over x, but that's going to be greater than or equal to 0 as well. So the only way this works is if our value is going to be equal to 0. Because the value is greater than or equal to 0, yet less than or equal to 0, we know that the value must be 0. Okay, and this is an example of a squeeze theorem. This being said, it is important to note that if you're taking a test on the squeeze theorem and you sneeze, it is imperative that you say, "Excuse me." There we go. That was my joke for the day. If you guys have any more serious questions about the squeeze theorem, please feel free to email me at gforbes@poets.whittier.edu or comment on the section below. Thank you.